The 2013 Yamaha YZF-R1. Compared to the previous model, the 2012 Yamaha YZF-R1 didn't change too much. However, the main upgrade is the addition of a traction control system. If in the past traction control was a rarity among motorcycles, in the latest years has started to become a mainstream feature. Apart from the traction control system, the new YZF-R1 has also received a fresh nose, a slotted top yoke inspired by the YZR-M1, new muffler end caps, a longer sear shock and grippier foot pegs. The rear spring reat is also slightly softer, which improves the ride comfort. Though despite its upgrades, the Yamaha YZF-R1 is still a half-step behind models like the Aprilia RSV4 or Kawasaki ZX-10R, which would beat it any time on a racetrack. However, the Yamaha YZF-R1 is a better daily commuter as is more comfortable, smooth and fast enough to keep your dopamine levels high. Hit the jump for more information on the Yamaha YZF-R1. Key features. The YZF-R1 benefits from MotoGP technology, a 7-level traction control system. The system has been developed so the rider does not feel any unnatural or harsh intervention from the system. In addition, traction control can aid in reducing tire wear due to less wheel spin. Coupled with the 3-level D-mode electronic throttle response control, riders have 21 different choices available to tailor the YZF-R1 to their riding preference. This R1 keeps all the technological superiorities developed for its predecessor, YCCT. Yamaha chip-controlled throttle is MotoGP-inspired fly-by-wire technology used to deliver instant throttle response. YCCI is Yamaha chip-controlled intake, which is a variable intake system that broadens the spread of power. The fuel injection system provides optimum air-fuel mixtures for maximum power and smooth throttle response. In keeping with this machine's exceptional cornering ability and crisp handling, the aluminum frame has been designed to offer exceptional rigidity balance. The rear frame is lightweight controlled fill die-cast magnesium, contributing the optimum mass centralization. Suspension includes YHSJ Yamaha Hydraulic Systems Japan front forks, which use one of the tricks developed for R-winning MotoGP bikes, independent damping. The left fork handles compression damping and the right side handles the rebound damping. And the rear shock adopts bottom linkage for optimum suspension characteristics. The sound on the YZF-R1 is unlike any other inline 4-cylinder production supersport. The precise and throaty pulse of the exhaust note will have riders enthused every time the throttle is opened. Engine. Crossplane crankshaft technology, proven in victory after victory on MotoGP machines, provides a high-tech uneven firing interval. Unlike typical inline 4 engine design, where the 2 outer and 2 inner pistons move together in pairs with 180 degrees intervals, the crossplane crankshaft has each connecting rod 90 degrees with a unique firing order of 270 degrees to 180 degrees, 90 degrees to 180 degrees. This overcomes the inherent fluctuations in inertial torque during each engine revolution, and the accompanying peaky torque characteristics. Instead, combustion torque continues to build, giving the rider more linear throttle response with awesome power and traction out of the corners. 7-level traction control system allows the rider to get more traction and drive while exiting corners. To maximize rider comfort as well as power output, the engine adopts a coupling-type balancer that rotates in the opposite direction as the crankshaft. This engine features forged aluminum pistons to take maximum advantage of the power characteristics. Titanium intake valves are lightweight. A forced air intake system is adopted to increase intake efficiency by using the natural airflow during riding to pressurize the air in the air box. This contributes to outstanding power delivery characteristics in the high-speed range, while the design also helps to minimize intake noise. Slipper-type back torque limiting clutch greatly facilitates braking, downshifting from high speed. The exhaust system is meticulously designed to enhance engine output while, thanks to its 3-way catalyst technology, also reducing exhaust emissions. The silencer is a single expansion type, and the sound coming through from the unique crossplane crankshaft-equipped engine is unlike any other inline 4-cylinder production supersport. This fuel-injected engine takes full advantage of YCCT Yamaha chip-controlled throttle, the MotoGP-inspired fly-by-wire technology used to deliver instant throttle response. There's also YCCI, Yamaha Chip-Controlled Intake, the variable intake system that broadens the spread of power. Have it your way, thanks to Yamaha D mode, or drive mode, variable throttle control. There are 3 modes that control how YCCT responds to throttle input from the rider. The selectable A mode puts more emphasis on engine response in low to mid-range RPM. B mode, on the other hand, provides less sharp response to input for riding situations that require especially sensitive throttle operation. The standard map is designed for optimum overall performance. Selecting the map you want is as easy as pressing a button on the handlebars, chassis and suspension. The frame has a combination of uncompromising rigidity where needed along with carefully achieved flex for the precise rigidity balance this bike needs to give the rider the full benefit of its handling and engine characteristics. It is a sophisticated combination of controlled fill die cast, stamping, and gravity casting, the exact technology needed for each portion of this advanced frame. Front forks take a page from the championship-winning design of our MotoGP weapon, the M1. Since both forks always move together, compression damping duties can be confined to the left fork, while rebound damping is precisely handled by the right fork, reducing oil cavitation. The rear shock features both high and low speed compression damping plus an easy-to-use screw hydraulic adjustment for preload. This unit also adopts a pillow ball type joint for exceptional shock absorption, road hold feeling, and damper response. To achieve maximum performance, a bottom linkage is used to work with the rest of the chassis refinements for brilliant, crisp handling characteristics. Factory racers get machines tailored to their preferences. Welcome to the club. R1 has adjustable footrests, with a 15 mm height and 3 mm front to rear adjustment. Top triple clamps add to the appearance of the YZF-R1, reminiscent of those on the MotoGP powerhouse YZR-M1. LED position lights enhance the YZF-R1's unique styling. Additional features. The instrumentation includes everything a rider wants to know, including gear position, specifications. Quotes. Asphalt and rubber, simply stating that the 2013 YZF-R1 and YZF-R6 come back in a variety of new and exciting colors. Yamaha's press release is void of any mentioning of an update to the R1 or R6 electronics package or other technical add-ons, let alone any revision to the major components of the machines. Autoevolution. At the same time, the 2013 YZF-R1 sports the unique and innovative fork system called YHSJ, or Yamaha Hydraulic Systems Japan. The left fork controls the compression damping, while the right one adjusts the rebound damping. Again, a MotoGP feature for the pros. Total motorcycle, with back-to-back Superbike championships and packed with MotoGP technology, the 2013 YZF-R1 is the most advanced bike on the planet. And unlike anything else. That's because it's the world's first motorcycle with a crossplane crankshaft, resulting in incredibly smooth power delivery and outrageous torque for a rush like never before. From the track to the street, the R1 truly is the one.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.